Hello Live Wires, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today it's Tip Tuesday. For the bracelet, we're going to take a large size paper clip and just open it up. You want to go quite slowly with your flat pliers and just get all the kinks. Keep in mind these are much harder to work with than the regular size paper clips. You can also use 18 gauge half hard wire or stainless steel wire for this project. So start with the Crayola marker or whatever round form you have. Try to center that best you can, and then I'm going to get a Sharpie and wind it around the Sharpie, which is a little bit smaller, and then flip it and wind it around the Sharpie, just around. It looks a little bit more curved in. Take your round pliers again. These are no longer available, but Beadsmith has a really nice 6-step looping plier that you can use. So now we're going to flip it and bring that one in. Bring it right in there. Then take your flat pliers and bend it up at an angle. And this side too, just take the flat pliers and bend it up at an angle. And then you could bring this one in a little more. This one too, we could bring it in a little more. And then open this up, take your marble, stick it in, and bring this one down. And keep adjusting it, wiggle it around, push this down a little bit more. Don't do this if you've just got a manicure. Wiggle it until it's nice and solid in there. To make the jump rings, we're just going to take the largest part of our round pliers. Otherwise, you can use the looping pliers and just bend this around to make a complete circle. Don't ruin your cutters. We can just take our flat pliers and just bend it back and forth until it snaps. And there you have your jump ring. Open it a little more if you need to. And then we can take one of these and another one and loop them together. If it's easier to close the jump ring, use 2 flat pliers and just wiggle them closed like that. And then we're going to attach more together. Attach this one on here. Get another one. And close the jump ring. Get another jump ring. Stick it on this one. And this one here. And close it up. So you could do 6 or 7 depending on how big your wrist is. And then we want to do like a little hook at the end. So we're just going to take this and turn it around to make the beginning of a hook. And then depending on how big you want your hook, we're going to bring this one around like that. So I'm just going to take my small round pliers, bring it around just that much, and then I'm going to hold this and just pull it really, really tight to make that small. Hold it with the flat pliers, and again we're just going to bend it back and forth until it snaps. Pinch it down. Make sure that end is pushed in so it's not sharp. Get another jump ring, open it up, stick on the hook, put it on there, close it up. You can put another jump ring on the end if you want. Just take the end, stick it in the loop or the jump ring. You can pinch it in a little bit, and there you have your funky bracelet made out of marbles and extra large paper clips. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. And if you'd like to check out my work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so if you'd like to sign up below, I'll send you my Wire Art Essentials ebook. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.